Hi, this is Erica Machado, and this is video 9 for week 9, the screen scraper. So, I basically followed the code in the video, and you're gonna see that my code works just the same as your code. So I copy and paste the website here for the Manchester Community College. And this is gonna do the same thing as your code did, which will give me this. We'll save this file as a HTML file. It's a text file, HTML text file, and I open with my text editor. So as you can see, I copied the program, put the website here, and then, well, the program did all the stuff that it's supposed to do, right? I'm gonna run this to show it to you that it works. Oh, I forgot to save because I changed the there you go. This is the status code of the GATT 200. So when I first put the website here, it saved on my desktop a new file, which is this file right here. So this is the HTML file, text file. I copied the whole thing and I dumped in here the way you asked for, and I press the run. And it gives me the Manchester Community College page, right? Let me just do this. There you go. All right, so what can I see in here? I see right here the HTML tag, which defines the document as a web page. This is the beginning of this web page. And right down I have the head tag, which contains information about the document that will not appear on the actual web page right here. So this is like a lot of script information. And down here, I just have to find, here it is. I have the title tag, Manchester Community College, Manchester, New Hampshire, the beginning of the title and the end of the title tag. So the title will appear in the title bar. This is the title that will appear in the title bar of your web browser. So right here, Manchester Community College. And it has to be in between the head tag, which it is. And then I have like a bunch of scripts and stuff here, another scripts, okay. Bunch of scripts, more scripts. And this is the end of the head. And here starts the body. So all the information and the visible contents of the page will be in here. Images, links, plain text, they're all in between the body tag. So let's see here if I can find anything that there's a bunch of things here that I really need to learn what it is. Program of study, course schedule, forms to download, student services, careers. These are all the options. All the options in the web page. Canvas, student info system, SIS right here. I want to see if I can find an image tag. Let me see. Few ifs. If. Interesting. Scripts. And here. More scripts. Titles, border. Here, this is an image tag. Image, MCC, feature, career path. These are a few images tags right here. Interesting. And still the body. Hold on. Here, another tag. This is the My Home Page tag. It starts right here, and the link goes in here, and this is where it ends. My home page. This is a paragraph tag. Well, there's a lot here to learn. Paragraph. There's another My Home Page tag right here. Ends right here. Paragraph, a lot of paragraphs right here. Home page, image. Well, this is all part of the body. Let's see where the body ends now. Here it is. The body ends here, and also the HTML tag ends here, which means that all in between the first HTML and this right here, it's where it starts and ends the document as a web page. Well, I hope this is what you're looking for. I did take a look at this website. There's a lot to learn here. I mean, I tried learning a little bit about the tags, which I think are the most of the informations here. Well, I hope this is what you're looking for. All right. Thank you. Bye.